Ever catch yourself scrolling endlessly through social media, convinced you're researching for your next book? Yeah, we all do it. But what if I told you that this video will not only break that cycle, but also transform you into a more focused and self-inspired self-publisher on Amazon KDP. This is how to use mindfulness to stay focused and tap into your inner creativity to stand out on Amazon KDP. Let's start with Emma, a dreamer who needed to turn her busy thoughts into focused creativity. Emma was a writer with lots of stories in her mind, but she often got distracted by what was going on in her everyday life. She had just published her first book on Amazon KDP, but was struggling to start her second. Emma decided to explore mindfulness techniques she had read about but hadn't fully embraced yet. One day at a local coffee shop, Emma met Sarah, a fellow author who radiated calm and focus. Intrigued, Emma struck up a conversation. "Sarah, you always seem so calm and productive. How do you do it?" "It's all about mindfulness, Emma. I started with basic techniques but personalize it so it fits into my busy, chaotic mind. You should try it, it really helps." Emma began by adopting simple practices, deep breathing exercises and 5-minute meditation sessions before writing. Over time, she added her own unique flair. Visualizations of her characters and plots and storylines started to unfold in her mind as if it was a film. The key points to take on from Emma's story is: start simple. Begin with basic mindfulness exercises like deep breathing or short meditations. Personalize. Visualize your characters and plot during meditation to immerse yourself in your story. Consistency. Practice daily, even if it's only for a few minutes. Studies show that regular mindfulness practice can enhance focus and creativity by reducing stress and increasing mental clarity. Visualization activates the same brain region as actual performance, making it a powerful tool for writers. Next, let's see how Leo turns his writer's block into a source of inspiration using humor. Leo was known for his witty writing style, but he often found himself bogged down by writer's block. He wanted to keep his Amazon KDP audience engaged, but he just couldn't find the words. One evening while watching his favorite stand-up comedian, Seinfeld, he had an epiphany. Humor could be his gateway to mindfulness. Leo reached out to his old friend Mark, a fellow writer who had always had a joke up his sleeve. "Mark, you never seem to run out of ideas. What's your secret?" "Good question, Mark. I use humor as a mindfulness tool. When I get stuck, I step back and I find something funny in the situation. It breaks the tension and sparks creativity." Inspired, Leo began incorporating humor into his mindfulness practice. He would write funny anecdotes or jokes before starting his serious writing sessions. This approach not only made his writing sessions enjoyable, but also reignited his inspiration. The key points we can use from Leo's story is: use humor, write funny anecdotes or jokes to lighten the mood and reduce stress. Mindful breaks, take short breaks to watch or read something funny. Positive mindset, approach writing with a playful and positive attitude. You see, laughter reduces stress hormones and increases endorphins, leading to a more relaxed and creative state. A positive mindset boosts problem-solving skills and creativity. Finally, let's explore how Priya used her rich cultural heritage to ground her writing practice and stay inspired. Priya was a writer deeply rooted in her multicultural background. She drew inspiration from her Indian heritage and her experiences living in various countries. However, she struggled to stay focused amidst the richness of her cultural experiences. Priya decided to incorporate mindfulness techniques that resonated with her diverse background. Priya's turning point came when she visited her grandfather in India, a wise man who practiced mindfulness through traditional rituals. "Granddad, I feel overwhelmed by my ideas and can't focus. How do you stay so centered?" Priya, embrace the heritage. Use the practices that ground you: yoga, meditation, and the rhythm of traditional music. Priya returned home and started blending yoga, meditation, and traditional music into her writing routine. She would do a short yoga session followed by meditation with calming music before writing. This cultural fusion grounded her and provided a steady flow of inspiration. So the key takeaways that we can use from Priya's story is: embrace heritage, incorporate cultural practices that resonate with you, such as yoga or traditional music. Routine, establish a routine that combines physical activity, meditation, and creativity. Grounding techniques, use grounding techniques to stay centered and focused. Yoga and meditation reduce stress and improve concentration. Music therapy has been shown to enhance mood and creativity. You see, mindfulness for self-publishers isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's about finding what resonates with you and making it a part of your daily routine. Whether it's visualizing your characters like Emma, using humor to spark creativity like Leo, or embracing cultural practices like Priya, these techniques can help you stay focused and inspired on your self-publishing journey on Amazon KDP. The 7 keywords for you to take away from this video is focus, inspiration, mindfulness, creativity, personalization, humor, and heritage. By integrating these mindful techniques into your self-publishing routine, you'll find that staying focused and inspired becomes second nature, leading to a more productive and fulfilling self-publishing journey for you. Now that you know how to use mindfulness as a strategy for your self-publishing business, check out my video on how to overcome imposter syndrome. Until next time.